So I got sent these jeans in the wrong color and then in the right color. So I'm just gonna show you both colors. I might actually keep both because these jeans are like the best. And these are the perfect stretchy, skinny crop. There was this list that I wanted to have. High waist, very comfortable but very slimming jeans that I have been looking for with the raw hem. So it has everything really that I wanted. And they are the Agolde Sophie high rise. And this is the blue color, which is actually really nice. Where are my heels? Let's wear platforms just to be a bit cheesy. So these are them. And I had actually ordered them in black. That's the color that I wanted. So I'll show you the black ones in a minute. But these are the blue and they're gorgeous. And they fit like a dream. And even though I wasn't quite looking for skinnies at the beginning, because now I have so many kind of straight legs, slim legs, I actually figured out that I did want to have some skinnies which fit me, because the ones that I have up until now, they're all big on me now, or small, or just don't fit right. So these are the size 24, by the way. So the skinnies I really like to wear when I'm wearing a really big oversized coat or sweater, or whenever I'm wearing really chunky sneakers, which I'm making a video about sneakers that I'll put up in a moment. In those cases I prefer skinnies than straight, because it's just too oversized for me, especially because I'm very petite and kind of tiny. Now these are the black ones, which I am absolutely in love with. I love the edge of it. The hem is perfection. It's exactly this destroyed chewed thing that I like. Again, they're super comfortable, just like the blue ones. They're also the Sophie high rise. Is it the size? Did I say size 24? I think it's the 23. Well, it will say, oh no, it's the 24. Great. So yeah, it's the 24, and they fit really, really small, by the way, because I've been the 23 this week. So these jeans, as you know, I have been trying to get this brand to work for me. It's Girlfriend, and I finally found the jeans that are perfect for me, and they have become my absolutely favorite jeans. So these are the Karolina. Perfect high waist, right on my natural waist, non-stretch, 100% cotton denim. The color is beautiful. Like everything about these jeans I'm in love with. The fit I think is amazing. It just, there's enough space for your butt, but then it goes down skinny. I love these jeans so much. And they feel like a dream. They're quite tight. I got the size 23 because apparently, well, it says everywhere and people say in all the reviews that they stretch and they conform to your body. And I fluctuate so much, I just don't even know what to do anymore. But basically these are them, and they are gorgeous, and they're the ones with the chewed hem, just how I like it. I'll walk for you. I think they're super sexy. I think I'm gonna stop now buying jeans because I found as many as I needed and I like, so I feel pretty relaxed now. Thank you for watching this series, and I'll see you soon with more stuff.